Hi, we are your virtual healthcare provider at IntelliHealth. Today, I want to walk you through how virtual visits work for urgent care. A quick, easy, and convenient way to get the care you need from home. No waiting rooms, no hassles. Let's do a step-by-step demo to show you how simple it is. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult a healthcare provider at intellihealth.com for personal medical advice. This channel is not affiliated with any hospital. First, go to intellihealth.com or download our app and enter waiting room or schedule appointment. It's user-friendly, just a few clicks to get started. Create an account if you don't have one. Next, select your health concern, like fever, cough, ear pain, or any urgent issue. You'll answer a few quick questions about your symptoms to help the provider understand your case. Depending on availability, you can schedule a time or start a visit immediately if providers are free. No need for insurance or co-pays. Our transparent flat fee covers the visit. Easy and straightforward. At your appointment time, connect via video or chat on your device, smartphone, tablet, or computer. You'll be prompted to allow camera and microphone access. Then, you'll talk directly with a licensed healthcare provider. During the visit, the provider will ask about your symptoms, examine you visually, and recommend treatment. It could be a prescription, advice for home care, or follow-up instructions. If needed, prescriptions can be sent directly to your pharmacy. Most importantly, you leave the visit with a clear plan. Need more assistance? You can book follow-up visits at any time. No waiting, no hassle. That's how simple and convenient a virtual urgent care visit is. For quick, accessible healthcare without waiting in clinics, try IntelliHealth. No wait times, no insurance hassles. Just go to intellihealth.com and get the care you need today. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult a healthcare provider via IntelliHealth for personal medical advice. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and visit intellihealth.com to experience the future of urgent care, easy, fast, and right from your home.